Welcome to How to Wave. In today's video, we're diving into how you can use Claude AI for writing and research in 2025. Claude AI is a powerful tool that can assist you in generating content and gathering research materials quickly and efficiently. To begin, first, sign up or log into your Claude AI account. Once you're logged in, you can start by specifying the type of content or research you need. For writing, simply provide Claude with a briefer topic and let it generate detailed content for you. Whether you need blog posts, essays, or even creative writing, Claude AI can adapt to your writing style and preferences. If you're working on research, Claude AI can help by gathering relevant articles, summarizing them, or even analyzing data for you. It's especially useful for producing reports or gathering insights from multiple sources. To get the best results, remember to provide clear instructions. For instance, if you're asking Claude AI to write a blog, give it an outline or a tone guideline. Similarly, for research, specify the areas you want to explore, and Claude will sift through vast amounts of data to find relevant information. Once your writing or research is complete, review the content and make any necessary edits. Claude's efficiency saves you time, and its vast knowledge base ensures that the information it provides is relevant and up to date. That's all for today's guide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share the